Kihan, as you know, Hobby UAV is turning 10 this year. Can you let us know something that you're proud of over your last 10 years in the drone industry?
Well, I would say one of the things that I'm really proud of is one of the projects that we actually did with Hobby UAV, which was a Marine Parks BB loss trial. There's actually a video up on here before of us flying the Great Shark. So that was an awesome project because it brought kind of VTOL into this space for federal government. We worked a lot with RG Pilot to bring in some additional safety processes and understand how these systems could be used for BB loss, and really open the door to what's being doing now in this space. So that was awesome for us, and I think we really showed what can be done.
And what's something that you think is going to be important in the next 10 years?
I think one of the biggest components that come into here is how we manage and stream our data, handle it, data security, how we mitigate some of the risks around using other systems such as DJI, but making sure that we retain that data. So making sure that we host the brokers, we host the video feeding, we're able to do that through systems such as Flight Hub on-prem or some of the systems that we're developing. So where we can actually interface with this hardware and not rely on third parties to be managing and transmitting our data.